Expand your camping knowledge with these 25 camping hacks that every camper should know. If you're trying to enjoy the evening outside and you're having a little trouble with bugs and mosquitoes, try a little dried up sage, toss that into the fire and let the smoke chase them away. One of my favorite camping hacks is, instead of loading your cooler down with ice packs and ice, grab a 1-gallon jug of water, freeze it, throw that in your cooler, keeps things nice and cold, and then when it thaws out, you'll have a gallon of fresh drinking water for your camping trip. A lot of people don't know this, but Doritos are actually flammable, so the next time you're out making a fire, your kindling's a little wet, or you're short on anything to get it going, grab a handful of Doritos, throw those down, and you'll have a flame going in no time. Another useful tip, go to the hardware store, get some affordable stake solar lights, so the next time you go out camping, you can stake those out around the tent and have easy lighting without any batteries or wires to have to deal with, and you can see great at night. And of course, when you go camping, don't forget the handyman's favorite tool, duct tape. You can fix a tear in a tent, repair a broken pole, zipper, quick shoe repair. In a pinch, it's great as a band-aid or to reinforce a splint. But a lot of people don't know that they're also flammable, so you can use it as a quick and easy fire starter as well. If you're needing a little extra light for your campsite, take your headlamp, take a water jug, strap them together, and it'll create a nice soft glow that will light up the whole area. If you find yourself in a rainy situation on your next camping trip with no waterproof gear, take an extra trash bag that's lying around, line your backpack, and seal it up, and you have an instant waterproof bag. An easy trick to store your breakfast for the next morning is crack open a few eggs, pour that in a water bottle, throw it in the fridge, and it'll be ready to roll for the next day. Plus, you don't have to worry about it cracking or breaking when you travel with it. Next time you're trying to start a fire, if you're having trouble getting it going, squirt some hand sanitizer on your kindling and that'll get it lit in no time. If you find yourself having trouble with those pesky tent or bag zippers, they just keep getting stuck, grab a candle, rub wax up and down those zippers, and they'll be zipping up really smoothly in no time. An excellent way to keep your feet dry is beeswax. You can take a thin layer of that and rub it all over your shoes, and it's really effective at keeping out all that moisture. If you're having trouble getting that fire started and you happen to bring a handful of crayons for the kids, grab a couple when they're not looking, throw them in the fire and get that thing going in no time. Be sure to save those cardboard egg cartons, because they are great little charcoal carriers for your next camping trip. You can throw your charcoal in there, seal it up, and it won't get tossed around or lost. The great thing is you can throw the entire thing in the fire and get it going really quick. If you're anything like me, you're not a big fan of sleeping on some hard, rocky soil, grab some cheap foam matting. You can find this at a lot of different department stores. Pretty affordable, and they come in pieces so you can fit it to the exact size of your tent. Lay that in under your sleeping bag, and you got a really easy way to smooth out that uncomfortable sleeping surface. If you're a fan of Tic Tacs, don't throw out the containers, because they make the perfect travel size seasoning and spice holders for cooking on your next camping trip. If you got an old coffee can laying around, they make great toilet paper holders A lot of them are the perfect size for a single roll of toilet paper. Plus, they come with lids so you can seal it right up, keep moisture out, and you're ready to roll. A small mesh laundry bag makes an easy and convenient way to dry your dishes when you're out camping. When you're done washing them, just toss them in the bag, hang them from a tree, and you're ready to go. A simple trick to stay warm on a cold night is to pour some warm water into an empty water bottle, put it at the foot of your sleeping bag, and it'll help keep you real warm all night long. If you're fond of the water and want a simple, easy hack to keep your keys safe, grab an old key ring, attach a cork to it, and it'll keep your keys floating on top of the surface if you ever lose track of them. Last but not least, buy a cheap plastic shoe storage over-door organizer. You can hang it from a tree or outside your camper. Put all your most important or easy to get to items in that, and you can grab it whenever you need it. And the best part is, when you're done, all you have to do is hose it down and let it dry, and it's ready to be stored away for next time. Opening and closing zippers with thick winter gloves on can always be a pain. So what you do is you take a key ring, you run it through the end of your zipper pull, and you got an easy, wider pull that you can easily fit those fingers in. Give yourself a little more insulation through the night by taking your next day's clothes, stuff them into the end of your sleeping bag. It'll help keep you warm during the night, plus it'll keep your clothes nice and warm for when you put them on the next morning. Another easy way to stay warm during the night is take a hot water bottle, wrap it inside one of your socks, throw that in your sleeping bag, and then you have that radiant heat all night. Plus, in the morning, you'll have some drinking water that's not frozen. Another useful tip is to pack wooden utensils. Metal utensils can get extremely cold in the middle of the winter and really hard to handle, especially when you're not wearing gloves. Last but not least, any experienced camper will tell you that a wind wall is essential when camping in the winter. You strap up a tarp in between some trees, blocking the wind from your tent. It'll help keep you warmer during the night. Plus, blocking that wind will make it a whole lot easier to start fires. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe. Keep watching all of our other videos. Check us out on social media, along with YouTube. We have Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to check us out at outcastland.com.